Nyumbani, 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 Hokoni home. This is Nyumbani, 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 Hokoni home.
Uhoroooo Andu house nimemwalk tena na kavida kingine mbwekse. So follow me if you want to know what today's video is about. No murafuata. All right. Okay. So on today's video, direda kumuonia how to write a cover letter, and don't worry about it because I'm going to be showing you every single step. In fact, we are writing one together. Okay guys? All right. So at the top left of your cover letter, write your contact information. That includes your name, your phone number, your email, and your postal address. Then write the date which you are typing your cover letter, address it to the Human Resource Department, write the name of the company, and then write the place where the company is situated. For example, I'm going to be applying at Maisha Magic East, and I'm going to write that it is situated in Nairobi. Okay? So according to your format, leave a space, then now address it to dear sir or madam. But if you know who the person is, you can write dear sir or dear madam accordingly. Okay? So now let's get to the body of the cover letter. First things first, you need to introduce this, and introduce it by saying how you got to know about the job. For example, I'm going to be typing, following an ad I saw on social media, I would like to apply for the position of content creator at Maisha Magic East. Make sure to mention the name of the company and the position which you are applying for. Okay? Okay guys? Alright, now let's get to the next part. Guys, I apologize for any noise. I'm filming this video on Sunday and families are at home. Okay? So on this next part, you should be answering 3 questions. Number 1, why you? Number 2, why the company? And number 3, what is unique about you? Okay? So on the first question, which is why you, there are so many people applying for this job. So why should you be considered? So what I'm going to be typing is, I have great belief that I have the necessary skills and education to match the employee you are in search for. And then give a brief introduction of yourself. I have completed my bachelor's degree in digital marketing at St. Paul's University, where I gained knowledge and was privileged to do teamwork projects and got to connect with different people. Okay? As simple as that. The next question, why the company? You know, there are so many organizations, so why is it that you want to specifically work with this organization? What attracts you in this organization? So I'm going to be typing, I like the content Maisha Magic produces and how it competes on an international level. Cool? Cool? Okay. Next question, what is unique about you? Let me let you in on a secret. If you want to be able to answer this question correctly, you need to go check where you saw the job being advertised and check their requirements. They've definitely written a number of skills that they want. So now, tailor the skills that you've learned in your internships, volunteer work that you've done, or your own innovations to match what the company wants. For example, on this content creation job, they wanted someone with editing skills. So what I'm going to be typing is that I got the opportunity to intern at ABC TV station, where I was filming and editing all their IGTV videos, and I got to improve my editing skills. Okay? right on point. They also wanted someone who is innovative, so I'm going to mention I have a YouTube channel where I post book reviews. As simple as that. After you finish answering those 3 questions, affirm that you are capable of doing the job. So I'm going to type, I strongly consider myself to be capable of working productively and innovatively with this esteemed organization. I have attached my resume to the cover letter for consideration. Okay? After you finish that, sign out by typing faithfully, leave a space for your signature, then write your name, Modua House. Yeah, guys, so that's it for today's video. See you next week. Todo next week dinner kido special, all right? So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye. Love you. See you, Mogima. Oh, niguathiaga.